Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to add sheets into your Google Sheets file. So as you can see, sheet or tab sheet like this, you can add as many as you want. As you can see, there are lots of sheets here, and then if you want to add a new sheet, you can just click on the desired position. For example, I want to add a new sheet, new sheets beside after this section sheets. You can just click on the plus icon beside the sheet's name. Just click on this, and then the sheet has been a new sheets has been added into your Google Sheets file. But if you want to add a new sheet at the end, you can just swipe until the end of the tab sheets and then click on the plus sign again. Okay, so just like that, it's so easy to add a new sheets into your Google spreadsheets. Okay, so I think that's all from me. I hope you guys find this video is helpful. If you get any question, feel free to drop it in the comment, and if you feel the video is helpful, don't forget to click like and subscribe for more contents. I'll catch you all in the next video.